Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're discussing how to make money from side jobs. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or simply looking for a way to make some extra cash, there are plenty of side job opportunities available. So, let's dive in. Online surveys. Online surveys are a quick and easy way to make money from home. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions and will pay for your time and opinions. Delivery services. Delivery services like Uber Eats, Grubhub, and Instacart are growing in popularity and offer a flexible side job option. You can choose your own hours and work as much or as little as you'd like. Pet sitting. If you love animals, pet sitting could be the perfect side job for you. You can offer pet sitting services in your own home or even offer to walk dogs or take care of pets while their owners are away. House sitting. House sitting is a similar concept to pet sitting, but involves taking care of someone's home while they're away. This could include watering plants, taking care of the yard, and performing other small tasks. Yard work. Yard work is another great way to make money on the side. Offer to mow lawns, rake leaves, or perform other yard maintenance for neighbors and friends. Freelance work. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or programming, there are countless freelance opportunities available online. You can find freelance work through websites like Upwork and Fiverr. Tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider offering tutoring services. You can work with students in person or offer online tutoring services. Rent out your space. If you have a spare room or an unused parking spot, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or Turo. Sell items online. From clothing to furniture, there are plenty of items you can sell online to make extra money. Websites like eBay and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to sell items from the comfort of your own home. Offer personal services. From running errands to cleaning homes, there are many personal services you can offer to make money on the side. Offer your services on websites like TaskRabbit or Thumbtack. These are just a few examples of the many side job opportunities available today. With a little creativity and effort, you can easily supplement your income and make extra money. We hope this video has been helpful in your search for a side job. As always, thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more great content.